This is the virtual tour of 991 Smith Avenue South, taken on June 27th, Saturday, June 27th, just before 10 o'clock. You can see hardwood floors throughout, mini blinds on the windows, kind of arched entryways. It's got a little porch out there, kind of back around through there. It's not heated and it's not air conditioning, but little storage area, I guess you could say. I'm going to slowly go through here. That's the archway through the bedrooms, but we're going to look at the kitchen first. Refrigerator, stove. Everything is clean here. Nice and clean. That's the doorway to the basement. Kitchen windows, of course, and this side of the kitchen is dishwasher, sink. We'll kind of pan to the under the sink here, nice and clean under there. Clean sink. You can show the refrigerator here. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. Older building, but real nice, solid, good construction. We'll come to the bathroom first. Clean toilets, shower head, exhaust fan. That's the bathroom. Extra roll of toilet paper. This bedroom here, once again, mini blinds on the windows. Brand new, just put them up a few minutes ago. That overlooks the parking area and also the next door neighbors. It's a nice actual spot to look. Closet, nothing fancy in these closets, just a few hooks, a rack. Hopefully you don't get dizzy following this video. I know sometimes when you're watching the video, it's a little bit tricky. Closet door to the second bedroom. These bedrooms, as I recall, they're about 11 by 12, give or take. I can't remember exactly, but the dimensions can be gotten for you if you're interested. Third bedroom. In this bedroom here, there's a closet on the outside that you can kind of see. It's actually a pretty good sized closet. Rack, floor. And otherwise, it's got a armoire in there. The door right there actually goes to the front. It's all sealed off in the middle there, but I didn't take the door out and refinish it just in case somebody wants to live back here and run a business in the front, and that goes to the bathroom in the front, and that once again is sealed off too, but it does have the frame and the door kind of put in place still. But if you open it up, you can't get through, even if you could open it up. Nice hallway. And that, everyone, is the virtual tour of 991 Smith Avenue South here on June 27, 2020, just about 10 o'clock.